In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure shipping zones in Zoho Commerce. By the end, you'll know how to create zones, add rates, and make sure the right customers see the right shipping options at checkout. First, open your browser and head to Zoho. Sign in to your account. Then, from the app list, choose Commerce. This takes you into your store's dashboard, where we'll set up the rules that determine who gets what shipping options. Go to Settings, then select Shipping and Pickup. This is your main hub for delivery configuration. On the shipping page, look for the option to add a new zone. Click Add Shipping Zone. A shipping zone is simply a defined geographic area. Think of it as a container for the regions you serve. Give your zone a clear, memorable name like domestic, international, or local. The name should tell you at a glance who it applies to. Next, define the geography for this zone. You can target entire countries, specific states or provinces, or even narrow it down by zip or postal codes. Use postal codes for dense metro areas and broader regions for national or international coverage. Keep in mind that zones shouldn't overlap. If they do, it can cause confusion about which rate applies. Once the zone is created, open it and add shipping methods to it. Click the newly created zone, then choose Add Shipping Rate. Enter a customer-friendly shipping name that will appear at checkout, such as Standard Shipping or Express 2-Day, and include an estimated time of arrival so shoppers know what to expect. Make sure the status is set to Active, otherwise it won't show up at checkout. Now choose your pricing model. You can charge a flat rate, base it on the order value, the number of items in the cart, or the total order weight. Flat rate is simple and predictable. Order value is great for encouraging higher spend with tiered pricing or free shipping thresholds. Quantity works well when each item adds handling effort. Weight-based pricing is ideal if your carriers charge by weight. After selecting the type, specify the actual rate and any ranges or conditions the option provides. Your store's currency settings will apply automatically. Click Save to lock it in. Repeat this to add as many shipping methods as you need within the same zone, such as standard and express options. Finally, consider creating a catch-all zone for locations not covered by your other zones. This fallback helps international shoppers or less frequent regions see a sensible shipping option instead of being blocked at checkout. That's it! You've configured your shipping zones and rates in Zoho Commerce. Save your changes, and you're ready to accept orders with accurate, clear shipping options.